Hello guys, welcome to TechBrain. My name is Sam and in this video I'm gonna show you how to withdraw your money to your bank account from an Exodus wallet. So first of all, we're gonna search for the Exodus app and open it. Then you go to the asset you want to cash out. So in my case it will be Ethereum. You press on Ethereum. Here you have the amount you have. So you're gonna send the amount. You're gonna send the amount to a KYC wallet like Coinbase, Binance. So you're gonna send your funds to your Coinbase or Binance, your KYC wallet, and from that step you can cash it out to a bank account. You cannot withdraw your money directly from Exodus to a bank account. That's not possible. So you should send it first to your KYC wallet and then you can withdraw to a bank account. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. If you have any further questions about the Exodus wallet, please let me know down below in the comments and see you in the next one.